You take the assassination and the case of Daniel Penny, the guy who restrained Jordan Neely on the subway. Neely wound up dying. They really are two looks at who we're becoming in society. So I wanted Bill O'Reilly to talk about these big questions, how he sees it, and what matters most. It's good to see you. Early Happy Christmas. So, how do you see this fervor around the assassination?
Well, people are doing what they usually do. They're trying to exploit a murder for political gain. Hello, Senator Elizabeth Warren. And so that the...
How so?
Well, she's coming out and going, oh, you know, private health care is the devil and it doesn't work, and we have to have government-run health care. That's one of her big things. And, it's always prefaced with, we're sorry the guy's dead in the street, but... There's always the but, all right? You know, it's an evil industry, and we got to do something about it, which is true, by the way. The insurance industry in America is like the food industry. Powerful, lots of money going into the politicians' pockets to run for re-election. So you don't get reform. What people don't understand is the insurance agencies are run by the states, not the feds. All right, so in New York, if you have a beef, you got to go to Albany, which I would rather go to Damascus, Syria, at this point, than to go to Albany. And you can sit there and go, look, you got to pay my claim. For 30 years, I've been paying the premiums, and now they're jobbing me. And the guy goes, okay, I'll look into it. I'd rather go to Damascus. I'd rather be with whoever's running that country. And you'd get your insurance claim paid faster in Syria than you will in New York. They want the money. And the government doesn't crack down because the lobbyist money is tremendous. The food industry won't take the sugar out of everything, which is killing everybody, which is making the insurance rates higher. And they won't even put a warning. If you drink 8 Sprites a day, you're going to die. Your limbs will fall off. Just put the warning on there. All right? No. Tobacco, yeah, not sugar, and which is more dangerous? Sugar. Okay, so when you start there, you know you're in a corrupt system. And the working Americans watching their car and house premiums go, I can't afford it. That's why Biden lost. Because there's no explanation. I called my Allstate agent. I said, what? You're tripling my car insurance. I don't have any claims. I drive 22 miles an hour. Because if you drive any more than 25, you get a $300 ticket in New York because they're stealing your money. I can't drive any more than 25 miles. Why am I paying 3 times as much? Well, we've had a storm coming out of Cabo, you know. So working men and women are getting killed here. The problem is these are small ball compared to Israel, Hamas, Ukraine, high prices, and nobody's looking at it. And so it never gets solved. And so the ideologues use this murder, all right, to try to highlight what's wrong. You need strict oversight on the insurance companies, statewide. That's the solution to the problem.
What do you make of what I define as a new fundamentalism? Whether it's this assassin here, the kids in the cafes on campus, these people, this generation that is appropriating oppression that they see in the world around them, even if it's not their lived experience. I mean, this kid was an animal of privilege. His family made millions off the healthcare business. They run nursing homes.
This kid is mentally ill.
You do? You see, I don't know yet.
Oh, you haven't? Did you see when they took him into custody in Altoona?
You can be bad and be ranting and raving and not be sick.
He's mentally ill. You know, if you read Confronting the Presidents, all the assassins, all of them mentally ill, including Booth.
And then what do you say about the people celebrating what he did? Are they all mentally ill?
No, but that's minuscule. And the media loves the story.
I've never seen this many react this way to a murderer.
On TikTok?
True.
I mean, it's
true.
a nut house.
On social media.
All right, just go into any sanitarium and you're going to have that. It's not a mass movement, but the media blows it up. Like every lefty is doing this. They're not. This is maybe a point of 1%, but they're on TikTok. And you see them. 10 years ago, these people would have never gotten any recognition at all.
Did you feel the same way about the campus demonstrations? We talked about them.
I did.
That's a small percentage of people.
Very small. But they take over, and then people sitting at home go, oh, this must be very common. It's not like Vietnam. It's not close to that. all right? So perspective, which is sorely lacking in the American journalism community, is gone. So I'm not worried about the real loons. What I am worried about is problem after problem after problem doesn't get addressed.
Hey, thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget, click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.